Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door lock actuator. First, gather your necessary tools, including various screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and the new door lock actuator. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle securely and turning off the engine. Remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. This simple step helps prevent accidental shorts and ensures a safe working environment for you. Now, let's move on to removing the door panel. Begin by locating and removing all visible screws, which are typically found in the armrest, door pull, and behind the door handle bezel. Next, use a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the retaining clips. Once loose, gently lift the panel and disconnect any electrical connectors and the door handle cables before setting the panel aside. With the door panel off, you can now access the internal components. Carefully peel back the plastic moisture barrier to expose the door's inner workings. Locate the old door lock actuator, which is usually bolted to the door frame. Unbolt it, then disconnect its electrical connector and any attached rods or cables. Now, install your new actuator, ensuring all rods, cables, and the electrical plug are securely reconnected. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. First, reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cables to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel clips with their corresponding slots and firmly press the panel back onto the door. Reinstall all the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal and thoroughly test your new door lock actuator to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.